Skittles will make her fart?
Hey, I really gotta sing this?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Cheerios and Skittles will make her fart. Cheerios and Skittles. I can't even sing it sexy. Like, it's like, okay, hold on, I'm gonna try it. Cheerios and Skittles will make her fart.
Hey, yo, I cannot. It goes down. Tastemakers Radio. My charger has a short in it. Who has $20?
Okay. My charger has a short in it. Has a short in it. Who has $20?
I think Sean might really wrote that and he needs $20.
Oh, that was hard. I couldn't.
My charger does not have a short in it. I just don't have a charger with me, and my phone is dead. Don't play me.
Oh, there's more?
Yeah.
That was it.
Two more.
Oh,
We're almost done.
You are... Ready? You are evicted. Get the hell out.
You are evicted.
Sing with some power.
Sing it with your chest.
You are evicted. Get the hell out.
Right
Go.
now.
Right now.
All right, one more.
Oh, come on, man. I already know it's
This might
something
be.
crazy.
This has to be drum roll, please.
Oh,
The best one yet.
damn.
I licked your grandmother's elbows.
I gotta sing this.
Yeah.
I licked your grandmama's elbows. Repeat it again. Hey.
Hey.
I licked your grandmama's elbows. Repeat it again. Say, hey. I licked your grandmama's elbows.
Hey. I'm about to lick you like that. There's no ass, you don't mind them.
It goes down on Tastemakers Radio.
Going
Ramel
down.
just spit the big. I gave it good.
Spit
Spit it.
it.
You did good.